We are at the Worthington Diamond Mine just outside of the Crater Diamond State Park in southwest Arkansas. It's Saturday morning, October 3rd, 2020, and the excavator is digging lamperite. This bucket and stakes marks our contact zone between the lamperite on your right and the country rock on your left. This is the edge of the funnel, more or less, the volcanic intrusion. This rock is hard, but he can break it with that excavator. And the smaller he breaks those pieces, the better it'll be for me to find diamonds in it, because the larger chunks take longer to break up in the scrubber trommel. But he's stockpiling a lot of ore here that we can load up later. He's got it busted up, loosened up, and he's following the contact zone edge that you can see marked by the white bucket here and also by the orange flagging going through there, and there's an orange ladder marked at the other end. This is all lamperite to your right, and to the left is just country rock. I'm happy to see we're getting this much diamond ore stockpiled so we can run it through the plant. The hard thing is breaking it up like that. We've got the right equipment for doing it. He can dig in it. He's not even lifting his tracks up when he's digging it, but it is hard material and those teeth are cutting through it. We'll go down. I'm up an extension ladder for the camera angle. We'll go down and try to get a different view of what's going on here. We're working right along the northern property line of our 10 acres at the Worthington mine. This is a lot of dump truck loads he's already got stockpiled here. This is our old pit. He kind of filled it with broken up lamperite, and we can fill it from there. He's following that contact zone line there, which is what I want him to do. Here's our property line. Right along here, that orange bucket is the northwest corner. This sure beats digging it by hand or plowing it with an antique plow, or even using a smaller Kubota that was hard to break through it. This is nice to have a heavy equipment. Break it up and pile it up. He is lifting his track up some, trying to get into that. Putting the weight on those teeth so it would cut into the lamperite. So you know it's pretty hard if you can lift an excavator with it. Diamond ore. It's not really a different color than the overburden, but it is a different hardness. The clay was real soft, and this is hard. You can see these big chunks that are here, and here's one. It's got some staining on it. There's a big chunk came out. I hope that'll break up some. He's dropping it to kind of break it, dropping it on other rocks. Helps it break up. See its track is coming up off the ground as he's pulling. Pushing down on the teeth, and it lifts up on the track. So he's putting a lot of weight, a lot of force down on those teeth to get that to go. The staining on these lamprite chunks is manganese. It leached down through cracks and stained that. If that was washed off, you could see the manganese better, but anyway, it's on all this material in here. Now this piece here, that's goethite. I checked with geologist Doug Hansen, who appeared in another video with me, but that's an iron ore called goethite. It's like limonite. Kind of a neat specimen. It's glossy. Well, we're going to go back down and see what the bulldozer's doing at the diamond recovery plant site.